Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, leather seats, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.